What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mike Sieben. I'm a multiple six-figure Amazon seller. Welcome to the channel where we talk about everything Amazon and I teach you how you can too sell on Amazon's platform. Today's video, we're gonna be talking what is Amazon, what is the opportunity, and how can you get involved to start selling on Amazon. All right, so first let's talk about Amazon themselves. Unless you've been living under a rock, you probably know that Amazon is the largest retailer in the e-commerce space. But did you know that over 50% of their marketplace sales are actually transacted by third-party sellers? That's right, so people like me are actually accounting for over half of all of the revenue that's brought in to Amazon's marketplace by the fees that we pay to sell on their platform. So a beautiful thing about Amazon is because they are such a behemoth and they have so many customers in their network that expect the good service that they are able to provide. As selling on Amazon as a third-party retail seller, we actually have to do little to no marketing whatsoever. So this means you don't have to fire up social media accounts for your brand, and you don't have to spend endless hours making videos and content to advertise the products for your customers. You don't have to do Facebook ads, Instagram ads, YouTube ads in order to sell your product. You don't have to do any massive coding or website design to create your own website. No, Amazon has all of the traffic already within their network, and their customers are looking for products already. And so it's up to us to find those products and then just insert them on Amazon so that they can be resold. So there are two main fulfillment methods that you can do when selling on Amazon. I'm gonna go over those today. So there is FBA and FBM. So FBA, or Fulfilled by Amazon, is essentially an Amazon program such that third-party sellers like myself will send in products to Amazon warehouses. They will store the products on our behalf, and when a customer makes a purchase of one of our products, Amazon will pick those, they will package them, and they will send them off to the customer entirely on our behalf. So this means whether you have a full-time job, a part-time job, you're away on vacation, busy with family and friends, if a customer makes a purchase, Amazon is taking care of all of that in the background, completely automated. Another good thing about Amazon FBA is the customer service is handled for you. So this means if there are any customer inquiries, inevitably there will be some dissatisfied customers, problems with products, damaging in the shipping process. Amazon takes care of all of it for you. So any returns, exchanges, customer inquiries, Amazon deals with all of that in the back end, completely automated again from your systems or your input. So then the second way to fulfill on Amazon is fulfilled by merchant or fulfilled by you. So when customers make purchases of your inventory, you're actually gonna have it available at your house, your warehouse, whatever that might be. And then you're going to package that up, send it out to the customer's house. So this is kind of the traditional e-commerce method, as if you had your own brand, your own products, and you were selling on something like Shopify or your own website or Facebook Marketplace, whatever that might be. You'd send the product out to the customer, and then Amazon just charges a smaller fee than what they would for FBA in order to do so. So the fulfillment is all well and good, but how do we actually get products, and what are the models that we can use in order to resell and source those products? So there are four main categories, and I have other videos that go down a little bit more in depth than what I want to do here today. So I will link up a playlist here where you can go and watch all of the different strategies and methods and in more of an in-depth setting. But for now, I'm going to skim over the four different ways to sell on Amazon. Those would be online arbitrage, retail arbitrage, wholesale, and private label. So OA, or online arbitrage, is essentially when you find a product on another website, you purchase that product, and then you resell it to customers through the Amazon platform. Retail arbitrage is essentially when you physically go into a store, whether that's a Walmart, a Ross, a TJ Maxx, a Target, whatever that is, and you will purchase the products that sell well. you'll list them up on Amazon, and then you'll resell the products that way. The third method is wholesale. This is our method that we use with our own business, as well as my favorite method. This is the method where we actually open up accounts with wholesalers, distributors, and brands, and we're able to actually purchase inventory directly from those sources and then resell them on Amazon. So this model is my favorite because it is infinitely scalable. Whether you order 5 products from them or you order 5,000 products for them, that is the beautiful part of it, is you can do anything in between. So as your business grows, as you have more capital, and as you scale, you're not searching, flooding tons of different websites trying to find the products online. You're not driving to stores every single day and buying 5 of one item, 10 of one item, driving to the next store and spending that time. You can essentially just talk to your suppliers, make the order, and send it in. If you guys have any questions more so about wholesale, because this is what we do with our business, you can sign up below for Elite Wholesale. That is my course where I'll take you A to Z on exactly how you can set up and run a successful wholesale business. As well, if you guys aren't ready for that commitment, you can go ahead and just join the free Facebook group. And in there, we talk about everything Amazon wholesale, and you can get all of your questions answered via that platform as well. All right, so the fourth way of selling is private label. This is where you will go out, you will find somebody to manufacture a product for you, you will create a brand, and you will put your own labels on that product, and then you're gonna go ahead and launch that product on Amazon and then sell it to their customers. All right, so just a very quick overview of everything and pros and cons of each. Everybody says that Amazon FBA fees are way too high, so why would you do FBA versus FBM? Well, the beautiful part of it for us is the fact that we can go off, we can do other things. We don't need to be home all the time waiting for customer orders and physically sending items out one by one to each of our customers. With wholesale, we're able to order dozens or hundreds of products at once, send them all into Amazon, and then as they sell through, Amazon will take care of everything from that point on. Yes, the fees are a lot higher than the FBM model, but I don't think about it as paying a fee. I think about it as Amazon is doing a service for us and we are paying them to do those services of our business. This gives us the time to focus on other things like finding the next best product, creating more relationships with our suppliers, get better pricing on things, and just focus on the growth and the other aspects of our business. The FBM model is obviously less expensive. You just pay for the 15% referral fee to essentially leverage the Amazon platform, get access to all of their customer base and everything like that. You are doing more work of packing all of the items, sending them out to the customers when they sell, but that is entirely dependent on what you want to do and what your business model is. And then obviously all of the business models. So it is really good to start with online arbitrage or retail arbitrage if you have a very, very small budget, because you can go out and you can just buy a couple of one item, send it in, see if that item sells. And then as you recoup that money from the profits, you can keep pouring that in, pouring that back in, pouring that back in till you grow and scale your business. Lots of sellers will do this and then upgrade to something like wholesale or private label. So that would just be my recommendation. If you have just, a small budget of just a couple $100s, I would definitely go that route. If you are looking to jump in and you have a couple $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, I would highly, highly recommend you look at something like wholesale. And then if you're able to do wholesale, you're able to grow and scale that. And then lots of sellers will actually make a transition or a partial transition to doing private label, creating their own brands once they understand the platform and the landscape, creating their own products to leverage the fact that they have experience on the platform and they're able to source and find these products for a little bit cheaper and own the intellectual property or everything that comes behind owning a brand. All right, guys, that is all I have for you today. I hope that you've learned something. If you guys like my videos, do not forget to smash that like button. It really does help out the YouTube algorithm and does help out the channel so we can get this out to the most amount of people possible, especially those who are needing this information. Also, make sure you're subscribed, hitting that notification bell so you're notified every single time that I put out a new video. Other than that, I hope that you guys have a fantastic day and peace.